Here's an American classic, a 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. There's a few reasons I bought this car. Number one, the color, silver with red, is killer. And according to the tag, that's how it was born. I love the silver with red combination. The other reason, it's a V8, has air conditioning, some nice upgrades. The wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, and then once you look it over, you're going to realize just how clean the body is. The floors are original and they are spotless. The inner splash pans, all that is excellent. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, and you can also find 200 classic cars there. Each will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the body again is dry. These were called Rustangs. They rusted out, but not this one. So this hood fits very nicely, actually about as nice as I've ever seen. Really nice and square and flush and straight. The fender's straight. All this nice clean. All this really nice clean. The lines look real good. Straight. All looks real nice there. Oh, it opens effortlessly. Door jambs are very decent looking. Oh, I barely pushed it. There we go. Quarter panel, nice, clean, straight. Has the dimples around the wheel well. That's original. All this is looking really sharp. All clean, straight, fitting nice. No issues with the body. It's exceptional. Quarter panels, all nice and clean. Look at it right down to the very bottom. Look at the shine. It's smooth even underneath. All this looks really nice. Door fits real nicely. Shuts very nicely. All smooth, clean. There's a little chip right there. It's been touched up. So the body, in my opinion, is excellent. The silver metallic, I forget the actual name of it, but beautiful color. The metallic's laid out real nice. The clear coat's polished nice and glossy. There might be a minor imperfection here or there if you go looking for it, but standing here, the car is gorgeous. The Ford emblems are sparkling. The horse, the grille, the bumper, everything up here looks to be a good 7 out of 10. Upgraded HID headlights, nice and bright lights. The 289 with the V, that's nice and shiny. Sort of the Mustang emblem, correct antenna. Original windshield, so it's got little specks in the glass and some wiper marks. The frame around the vent window, that's real nice. The mirror looks good. There are some touch-ups right around this mirror for some reason. There's a few right there and a few behind it. Door handles, a 7 out of 10. Convertible top, there's pictures of it on our website. It's a black convertible top in excellent shape. This chrome must have been replaced. This is brilliant, like new. In back, the tail lights, the bumper, the gas cap, reverse lights, all that looks really good. 8 out of 10, I'll give that, or better. Now the wheels, you might have noticed, American Racing polished torque thrust wheels, and they're on BFGoodrich G-Force Performance tires. Really nice looking setup here. I'm going to guess they're 17-inch, and yes, they are. All the way around, all 4 of them, BFGoodrich G-Force. Let's open it up. We'll show you that red interior, and we'll show you what's under the hood. Before we open the trunk, I did want to point this out right here. Paint's lifted a little bit right in that spot there for some reason. All right, so underside of the trunk lid looks real nice. Weather strip is replaced. The jamb is painted nicely. Now inside, this could be original. It's all clean, solid, dry metal. It's not glossy, like we would always like it to be, but this is nice, dry, clean metal, factory spot welds, and that means a lot. It has the plaid mat, and then they've got a carpet mat, got a jack. Comes with a box filled with some books and literature for the Mustang as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. And I'm pretty certain these are original quarter panels. Weather strips look good, and then you got the red interior, the metal parts painted red, and matches the reproduction door panels and armrest. All looking really good. The dash pad's probably been replaced. The metal, again, all painted nice. This whole instrument bezel's probably been replaced. Wouldn't be surprised if 77,000 miles were actual. This is not a concourse rotisserie restoration. It's just a good unabused car. Original radio in place, and the lighter, and all this looks good. But what have we got in here? We have an Alpine CD stereo. And you can play your tunes through these speakers molded into the kick panels. Got nice red carpet, matching embroidered mats. Seat belts were not required yet, but this has Mustang seat belts front and back. Here's the air conditioner with the shortened console. And it has I noticed the lights work in there when I pulled it in. This here is an aftermarket item, but it's nice. You got an armrest, you got cup holders. So a real nice addition. That's just sitting here. Seats feel real good. The cushions are nice. The upholstery is real nice. Same thing back here. It all looks good. Carpets, the mats, the upholstery, the seat belts, all the side panels, all looking very good. The visors are nice as a day and night mirror. Remember the glare from the cars behind you? You put it to night. It does have a nice steering wheel. Overall, very nice. But it's red. I love the silver and red. Just a nice cruising motor, 289 V8, stock valve covers, and air cleaner, and this looks nice, clean, simple. Cruise it all day long. I think these are added supports here. These are the factory supports. These might have been added. Everything looks proper. But when I say it's clean metal, look at the seams, the stamps. This is clean, dry metal. The whole shock tower is clean. This looks new. Looks like it has a more modern alternator. Upgraded aluminum radiator. It has both horns. The air conditioning compressor has been upgraded with a modern one. This is the washer fluid bag. The little pump that pumps the fluid to the squirters. The master cylinder is upgraded. It's a dual reservoir. They were still single back then, so you have front and back. That's a little safer. So there you have it. Michael's going to show you how nice that 289 runs, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Beautiful day here. The top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. And that's what we're going to do. This Mustang was built for cruising. Super nice running 289 under the hood. C4 automatic transmission. Starts real easy and nice clean idle, and it's in there getting warmed up. Really nice to have this center console here with the storage and then the little cup holders. You can pull that out or slide it back and forth if you like. I think it's nice to have. Another thing that's really nice to have is these four-wheel disc brakes. Slotted and drilled rotors. Oh, nice smooth pedal there. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. More than adequate power coming out of that 289. Sounds great. Little rumble to the exhaust. This one you take out when you get a chance and should have a lot of fun with this one. It feels fantastic. Nice and tight steering too. Go around this last little turn here. Contact our sales department if you want to come take it for a test drive yourself, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
All right, so I've been bragging how solid the car is, but this is where it gets really impressive. If you look underneath the car, again, it's not glossy and glamorous. I don't think it's ever been spray painted over. It has its factory primer from the factory, from original, and that metal is dry as a chalkboard under the frame rails and torque boxes up front there. The floors, dry as can be, all the seams. In my opinion, that's original rust-free metal. I don't think it's even been spray painted on. So that to me is really impressive. We could have easily spray painted the bottom of the car black. Once it's painted, you don't know what it's hiding. So I thought that spoke volumes, seeing how clean it is, because that's important on a Mustang. They don't have a frame. So it's been maintained as needed. Suspension, steering, there's a few parts that look fresher than others. They did put air shocks on in the back. That's an upgrade. Has a really nice, fresh dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. I think there's a crossover pipe. Exhaust sounds really good. And then, of course, the brakes we talked about. Them big, I mean, they're giant. Usually those big brakes come on in something with a big engine. Those are big brakes for this car. They look good. Behind the wheels, big drilled and slotted disc with red SSBC calipers. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. It's a C4 automatic transmission. Fuel tank looks good. Just a nice, proper undercarriage. But this car is rock solid. Feel free to come and check it out yourself. Salesmen can help you at volocars.com. They can also help you get your Mustang delivered home and help with financing if you need that too. Don't take them colors lightly. It really sets it apart. Thanks for watching.